Hi guys, it's Kiki from Yarn Society, and I want to show you how to start an amigurumi piece. Some people call it a magic circle, some a sloppy slip knot. You can chain 2 and go into the second stitch. Mine, I'm not really sure what to call it, but I will show you. I first learned from Stacy Chalk, but then I think I must have changed it in some way. So I'm just going to show you here. I have my yarn and my hook. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay my yarn over my hook. You want your tail to be facing you. And then you can go ahead and secure it with your thumb. And you can want either fling the yarn over, or you can just place the yarn right over the working piece. So now here I'm going to get set up, and I'm going to show you. I wrap the yarn around my pinky and I lay it over my other 3 fingers. I then grab that piece with my middle and my thumb and I hold that while I grab the yarn with my hook and I pull it through the loop. Then I chain 1. I then place the hook through that hole, that middle hole, and pull my yarn through and do 1 single crochet. For this one, we'll call it a magic circle with 6 single crochet. So this is 3. At this point, if you're getting a little uncomfortable, you can let go. It will stay and then kind of get reset up. This is 4. Sorry, my yarn isn't cooperating. 5, and then 6. So what you want to do now is you want to pull this yarn tight. So you can take your thumb and your 2 fingers and push that up and pull it tight. And then you kind of want to fan out your stitches so you can see them. So we can see our V here. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 stitches. And then you'll notice that there's this tiny little stitch that was our chain 1. So we do not want to count that. You want to go with your first actual V stitch. So that would be the stitch that you would continue with round 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you one more time. I'm going to take my hook, I'm going to lay the yarn over my hook with the tail facing me, secure it with my thumb. I place that yarn, that tail, over the working yarn. I get set up by wrapping the yarn around my pinky and then laying it taut on top of my other 3 fingers. Take my middle finger and my thumb, hold that, and then yarn over and pull that yarn through and do 1 chain. Work 6 single crochet in that loop. Go ahead and readjust if you need to. Usually by the 2nd single crochet it will stay. And then you're going to use your 2 fingers just to pull up, and you want to give it a good little tug, and then you want to fan your stitches out so you can see them better. You go ahead and put your stitch marker on the last stitch, and then you'll continue working round 2 with the first V stitch. You'll notice that when you continue crocheting round 2 and round 3 that middle hole could start to open. Just go ahead and keep tightening it, and within a few rounds it'll stay tight. I hope you guys like this way, and if you decide to give it a try, let me know in the comments below and to see if it works for you.